Okay, can you tell me a little bit about the charging station?
Yes, I'm Tim Seeley. I'm an engineering contractor that installed this power station for electric aircraft, and I understand it's the first in the world. In cooperation with Pacific Gas and Electric and Google funding, we ran 12,000 volts into this cafe hangar, and it converts the 12,000 volts here to AC voltage, 240 volts that goes to our switchgear here to this 400 amp switchgear. From this switchgear, actually it's 480 volts from here to the switchgear, and then the 480 volts is converted or passed along to two transformers inside the hangar that then distribute 240 volts, 40 amp single phase to 12 plug-in outlets out on the ramp side of the hangar.
And can we go airside and have a look at those outlets?
Absolutely. Okay. So we're out here at the outlet side of this charging facility, and what we have is 240 volts single phase coming to a 40 amp outlet, and there are 6 plugs that are a NEMA style 14-50 twist lock style plug that can be attached and plugged into the charging controller for these electric aircraft.
I can see you're using really quite substantial thick cables on these as well.
Yes, the cable is a number 4 gauge multi-stranded copper, so that we get minimal voltage drop. As you can see, the aircraft are distanced quite far apart, and it was important to deliver an equal amount of power to each airplane parking space.
Again, we've got recognition on the top of the charging station with a plaque acknowledging Google's sponsorship for the event.
Yes, Google is really innovative in participating in alternative energy sources, and they heard of our inclination to put in this facility and wanted to get involved in it.
That's great news.
We're very grateful.
Now, I see you've got quite substantial barriers around the charge station to protect them from things like the golf carts that are in the back there charging, running into it. There's other protection as well with earth leakage circuits, I believe.
Yes, true. And the idea here was to make the barriers low enough to be below the wing of an airplane should we park one here near the hangar, but protective enough that if a facility truck or something was backing up, they would not get too close to our outlets.
And does this outlet have the ability to work in say rainy weather as well?
Oh, absolutely. It's all weather. This power, at least a portion of it, is generated from this ridge in the distance. We have steam powered electric generation up, and it's called the geysers area.
Is that the geyser peak that they used in the course yesterday?
It's near Geyser Peak, but it's a geyser steam field, a volcanic steam field that develops a good part of the power that we use in this
So it's going full circle.
Hopefully, yeah, that's the idea. But of course, we don't have control over the electric grid switching, so it could come from anywhere in the U.S. or Western U.S. So.
All right, great. Thank you for your time this afternoon.
Sure.